Creating a quiz in Google Forms is a straightforward process that allows you to collect responses and automatically grade them. Here's a concise guide. Access Google Forms. Sign into your Google account and go to Google Forms. Create a new form. Click the plus blank button to start a new form. Title and description. Give your form a title that represents the quiz's subject. You can also add a brief description. Add questions. Click the plus add question button. Choose the question type and enter the question, options, and correct answers. Question settings. You can mark questions as required, shuffle answer options, and add feedback for correct and incorrect responses. Add more questions. Continue adding questions for your quiz. Google Forms automatically saves your progress. Section breaks. If your quiz has different sections or categories, use the section option to organize questions. Theme and images. Customize the theme of your quiz and you can insert images or videos into questions. Quiz settings. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access settings like limiting responses, allowing question-by-question feedback, and collecting email addresses. Preview and test. Use the preview button to test your quiz and make sure everything works as intended. Distribute and share. Click send to distribute the quiz. You can share it via a link, email, or embed it on a website. View responses. Responses are automatically collected in a Google Sheets spreadsheet linked to your form. Click the Responses tab to view or analyze the data.